The Golden Secrets of Drawing, number 13. Drawing makes ideas a reality. Drawing is the simplest language. It comes straight from observation or from the imagination. A sketch can explain an idea quickly and easily. Writing is like translating that sketch into a more complicated language. Drawing is an international language that can be understood across time and cultures. With basic drawing skills, ideas or scenes from your dreams and imagination become a reality. Think about that for a moment. Your pencil is directly connected to your imagination. If you can imagine it, you can draw it. If you can draw it, you can make your vision freely available to the world for all time. That is pretty amazing. With just a pencil, you can make what you imagine into a reality. Thanks for watching. Now go and pick up a pencil, any old pencil, and draw something. How about a stacking chair? Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoe Rainer Drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more drawings and advice. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.